This is what an AI visibility scan looks like when a brand is invisible. For engines, one question about its own category, and not a single mention anywhere. And the worst part is there is no alert for this. Here is the short version. Your brand is invisible to AI when the signals AI relies on are missing. About 85% of brand mentions and AI answers come from third-party sources, and only 38% of AI overview citations come from top 10 Google rankings. Fix the off-site footprint, the entity, the schema, and the answer-shaped content, in that order. We will run the 2-minute test, work out why fine SEO does not save you, go through what is actually broken, and finish with what to fix this week. Start with the test, before you change anything. Write down the 10 questions a buyer would actually type before choosing you. Ask all 4 engines. Write down whether you were named, and which sources got cited instead of you. That second column is the important one. It is a map of exactly who the engines already trust in your category. So why does perfectly good SEO not save you here? Ahrefs found only about 38% of Google AI overview citations now come from pages ranking in the top 10, down from 76% 7 months earlier. The overlap collapsed in well under a year. I rank, therefore AI sees me, stopped being true. So what is actually broken? Ahrefs measured where brand mentions and AI answers actually originate. Roughly 85% come from external domains, and only about 13% from the brand's own site. If your website is the only place your brand is discussed, AI treats you as unverified and routes around you. The guide lists 7 reasons and they cluster into a few buckets. You are not indexed, or the AI crawlers are blocked. You have no off-site footprint, so nothing corroborates you. Your brand entity is inconsistent, so the model cannot verify who you are. You have no schema, so nothing is machine readable. Your content is not answer-shaped, so there is nothing clean to lift. Or you are simply outsited by rivals who did all of it first. So which one is yours? Work down in order, because each step is cheaper than the one after it. Can it reach you? Can it read you? Can it verify you? Can it lift a clean answer? Does anyone else vouch for you? The first no you hit is your problem. And this is getting urgent faster than most people think. Roughly half of US adults now use AI chatbots. A randomized field study found AI overviews cut organic clicks on triggered queries by about 38%, with zero-click searches climbing from 54% to 72%. More buyers are asking AI, more answers resolve without a click, and the brands named inside those answers absorb the demand that used to flow to 10 blue links. So here is what to do this week. 1. Run the multi-engine test and write down who got cited instead of you. 2. Fix the on-site floor. Confirm indexing, unblock the AI crawlers, add organization schema, reshape your top pages with capsules, an FAQ and a table. 3. Start the off-site work. Pick the 3 review sites, directories or communities AI cited for your rivals and earn real presence there. Consensus is the slow lever, so begin it first. You do not need to win every engine in week 1. You need to stop being invisible in the queries that decide your sales. The full diagnosis and a free audit are linked below.